Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Poco M4, and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, we're gonna open up our settings, and in here you want to find storage. At least I believe that's where it's going to be located in. Might not be, my guess. Okay, so on Xiaomi, I believe this is actually located under About Phone. Yep, and here we have storage. So you want to click on it. It will initially show you the storage of the device itself. So we want to scroll down, and this will then show us our SD card, as long as there is one in the device. For me, there is one, the Samsung SD card, so you can see the name of it. Now from here, all you need to do is select Format SD card. Now, before you do so, I do want to mention this will remove all the data from the card. So if you keep anything on your card like I do, this will be completely removed. Now, I have already made a copy of what's on the card, so I don't need to worry about it. But if you keep anything on your card that you don't actually want to get removed completely, you want to have a backup, make that backup before you begin. Now, assuming you have already done so, or you just simply don't want to, you can proceed by selecting Format SD card. This will again tell you that this will remove all the data from it. So I'm going to select right here, Format SD card. This will automatically begin formatting it with a little progress bar, and this only takes a couple seconds, should be right about done. There we go. Once it is, click on done, and the card is already formatted and ready to be used once again. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.